this time yesterday.
He just flew?
And I don't think...
You're supposed to clip the wings, right? So they don't fly with.
I'm gonna train this one, so
Oh,
I
no,
don't
no,
have to worry
no.
about it.
It's not painful. It's just straight.
I know, I've had parrots before,
Okay.
so I'm gonna train this one to come when I call it, and that way he can fly whenever he wants. Have him fly around the house. If he gets outside, I'll just go out and call him.
Big bird and little bird. He or she? Do we even know? Can you tell?
I'm gonna get a DNA test. You have to actually do a blood test to find out.
Wow, this guy is noisy.
Yeah, he
Holy
is.
smokes,
But
man.
he doesn't start until after I wake him up and take him out of his cage. Which is good.
I think his shit is very liquid. Look at that.
Did he just
He's like peeing liquid. What the hell?
Oh yeah.
Is that liquid?